Yes, my wonderful people, going to repair this. Going to repair these clocks. Going to change the sole in, and the bottom. So it look terrible. You're gonna see it when I start. So yes, my peeps, already done rip it apart. So I'm going to. This is the old sole. The sole in and the bottom already done. So this is the state of it. This is the state of it. So this is the state of it. So I'm going to put on these new sole and you will see the finished product. So yes, my wonderful people, already done put on the new sole. Already done put on a new sole. So I'm going to sew it around now. So yes, my people, already done put on the sole in. Already done sew it. Already done sew it. Right around. So you're going to put on the bottom now. So yes, my people, already done put on the bottom. Already done put on the bottom. So you're going to nice it up now. So you see the finished product. So yes, my people, already done cut it around. Already done cut it around. So you're going to nice it up now. So yes, my peeps, already done put on the bottom of the shoe. So going to sand it now. And I will show you the finished product. So yes, my wonderful people, already done sand it around now. So you're going to give them the finishing. So you see the finished product. So yes, my peeps, already done fully restore of the clocks. Fully restore. Don't polish it and everything. Don't polish it. So yes, my peeps. So fully restore. Fully restore. Don't polish. Don't clean it up. And the customer will happy. So yes, my peeps. You need it done. You need it done. Come and check me.